Spoiler alert! If you don't want to know what knife you're getting for EDC Box Club this year, don't watch the rest of this video. It's month 12, and the knife is the king of EDC. And this month, we're going to get you an EDC pocket knife that's going to last well into the future, give you years of service, and you'll always remember your membership to EDC Box Club. All right, you guys, after a full year of EDC Box Club, you know how this goes. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Month number 12, your information card. The pocket knife is the king of EDC. It's probably one of the oldest, most versatile, certainly most used of all EDC items. And whether you have a little fixed blade or a folding blade, if you use it to cut packages, ropes, straps, prepare food, or any number of different things, you need a pocket knife with you. So we've got a great one for you this time. This is, again, we've chosen Benchmade Knife Company to sponsor our box club. This is the 945 Mini Osborne. It's got a retail value of $175. Remember, we took a lot of your funds from last month, the swag month, and rolled them into this month. So you get a good quality knife in your box club. We want to make sure that all your stuff is quality and good to last a lifetime. Let's take a look at what's in here. You get your swag pack as always. And here it is, the item that many of you have been waiting for. It's knife month, and you're getting a Benchmade, one of the most iconic manufacturers in the United States, out of Oregon City, Oregon. The Mini Osborne is new, and it's based on the iconic 940 Osborne, which is one of Benchmade's best-selling knives over the past decades. There are millions of them across the world, and it's a perfect EDC knife because of its size and many features. And now the 945 Mini is just even better for EDC. It fits any pocket, any hand. This is a great little knife for slicing, cutting, doing all kinds of stuff. Aluminum handles with the purple standoffs is a signature for the Osbornes. And as always, you've got your EDC Box Club brand emblazoned on the blade, so you'll always remember your EDC Box Club membership. This knife from Benchmade Knife Company comes with a lifetime warranty. And of course, as always, you get lifetime sharpening on any knife you buy here at EDC Specialties. We hope you've enjoyed your EDC Box Club. There's much more to come. Consider getting in the executive level for 2022 and take your EDC game up a notch. Thanks everybody for being a part of EDC Box Club. We hope you enjoy all the things that you've got this year and all throughout next year as well.